Let's start with a very simple example, um, listing the sales from a small flower shop for the month. Um, Business data is often formatted as a list or table. Our table includes the type of bouquets. As you can see, the type of bouquets, and then the price, the price here, and the quantity of a bouquet, and these are the sale value, like total sale value. So in this part, I'm gonna show you how to do data filtering in this video. So first of all, let's see. We have to do this one so that I can show you. And let's see. We can delete this data. So accordingly, I can show you how to calculate the total sales value. So first of all, these are the type of bouquets. As you can see, these are very these are cut off cells, like already cut off the lines. So how you can do is, first of all, as a normal, you will see, like, you just drag that line to see like how much you can see, then you will adjust accordingly. Or you can do, let me show you one more trick. What you can do is press here and put that double click. So this will be automatic space based on the word. Or one more trick is, you you select all the table, okay, and then you just simply double click at end of the table. So see how is that going on? Like every table would be accordingly shape their um, size based on the data. Okay, let me show you the how this like total calculate sale. Okay, um, as a normal, you will just claim first show the equal, type equal, then this table, then asterisk mark, then this table, then press enter. These are the calculation for the premium red rose banquet. So this $6,000 would be the price of 100 quantity. So then we have to calculate other four. So how you do that? You as regular, you just put that like this, or you just drag down, right? So one is this trick, or I'm gonna show you another trick, very important. You just put here your pointer, then double click. So it's the same thing. You can calculate all this stuff. Just press double click. But this is very simple and very tricky. It's very helpful when you see like very too much of a data, and it's just it will quick, and it will be quick and easy for calculating the sale value. So that's all I want to show you for this tutorial. Let's